I use Canva for everything, from thumbnails, social media graphics, and even part of my video editing work. And one of the best reasons why I use Canva is because of the numerous updates that they keep doing to ensure that we always have what we need when we are using Canva. So Canva has some new features, and I want to show you 7 that I thought were absolutely insane. And sure, stick around for all 7 features. And just so you know, number 7 has been the real game changer for me. So most of the features I'm going to show you, you can only use them on Canva Pro, but I really wanted to show you because I think it is totally worth it. And if you just want to try them out for yourself, you can use the link in the description to access Canva Pro for free for 30 days. So it is going to help you use some of the features that we are going to talk about. So let's get started. So number 1 is Magic Grab. So we already had Magic Grab before, but what has changed now is that you can select specific things that you want grabbed out of the photo, unlike initially when it would select the objects for you. So when you want to use Magic Grab, you just click on your photo, click on Edit Image, and then click on Magic Grab, and now you have the tool to help you select. So I'm going to click on this click button there, and then we're going to click on what we want grabbed out of the photo. So I want that chair, that tent, and also this part of the peg. Yeah, so I want all that grabbed out of my image, and then we're going to click on grab. Alternatively, if you're not able to click, then you can use the brush. This is what we have grabbed out of the photo, so you can move it to another part of the photo. You could decide that now these chairs, we want them there, or we could have them in this section. Alternatively, we can just delete them completely out of our photo. Okay, so that is how you can use Magic Grab. And just before we go to the next feature, I want to show you some 3 apps that you can use with this particular image, just to open your mind to new ideas and things that you can create using Canva. So the first app we're going to use is going to create some motion into this image. So let me first of all just duplicate this. Okay, so let's go to the first one here. So we're going to go to the app section, and you're going to type in image animate here, and then you're going to click on this app here. So it's asking us to select the image that we want to animate. I'm going to click on our image here, okay, and then I'm going to click on motion parallax, okay, and then you can adjust the range or the intensity. You can also adjust the duration, and then down here you can also choose the direction in which you want the motion to happen. I want to choose this circular motion here. We're going to click on generate. So you can use this when you're creating AI images and you just want them to move inside of the video without necessarily going to a different app. Okay, so here is our moving image now. So we're just going to add it to the design, and then I'm going to replace the background with that so that now our image is moving. So you can see it's a little bit intense, but you can always play around with the settings just like I have shown you. So the next app that I want to show you is called Cartoonify. So just go to the app section, and then you click on Cartoonify here. And like the name suggests, it is going to turn your image into a cartoon. Okay, so we're going to click on Cartoonify and replace. It is just going to replace the image that we have here. Okay, we have our cartoon image here. I think I really like it. Yeah, and the third app that I want to show you is the mockups. So just go to the app section here and look for the mockups. Yeah, so we have these ones here. So just click on them and then look for a mockup that you would like to use. For example, for this one, I'm going to look for maybe a laptop, and I'd like it to be in the sort of cartoon theme like this one here. Yeah, so this one is the one we're going to use. So we detach our image from the background, and then I'm just going to hover it over our mockup here. Okay, and then we can click on fill just to ensure that it completely fills out on our mockup. And now I can enlarge this, so just make it really big. Yes, that is what our image now looks like. So those are 3 different things that you can do with that one image. Now the next feature that I want to show you is the highlight feature, and this one highlights the best sections out of your video. For example, if I had a video here, let me just go to the upload section, look for a video that I already have. Yeah, so we could use this video here. So when I click on the video there and then click on edit video, you're going to see this new section that says highlight here. So we're going to click on the highlights there, and now you can see that it has gotten for us some sections which it thinks are the best sections from our video. So it has put them here. So you have an introduction, you have on the ship, you have scenic views, and you even have the closing remarks. Okay, and if you just hover your cursor on any of them, it just plays it out for you to listen in whether that is a good section or not. Yeah, so what I could do, I could add the particular sections into our design. So I could have this one, this one, this one. Just take a step back. Add to the design. So you can see now we have some new videos for our design here. So I think that is a really cool feature. It would really come in handy, especially when you want to cut up your long form video. Maybe you want to turn it into YouTube shorts, then you can use that one. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video, remember to like it and subscribe to the channel. It really helps with the algorithm. Let's go on to the next feature. The next feature, still on video, is that you can now enhance audio from your video. So you just click on the video there, and then you click on this audio here. And if you now click on this, you can now enhance audio. So just let it complete, and then you can play it. I'd like to share with you a concept that I'm just learning myself, and it's the concept of zooming out. So that sounded really awesome. So next time you have a video and you just want to enhance your voice, then you can use Canva for that. The next feature is the resize and magic switch. So just go to it, you will find it just here. And like I mentioned, most of these are going to be pro features, but you can use the link in the description to sign up for Canva Pro for free for 30 days, and then you can enjoy some of these features. So once I've clicked on the resize and magic switch, you see it says transform into document here. So it transforms your design into any document that you would like. For example, let's say we wanted to turn this into a blog post. Okay, so I'm going to click on transform into document here. Okay, and you can see it even gives it a title, A Journey Through Paradise. We're going to now open our document so that you see what it looks like. Okay, so this is our blog post, which is A Journey Through Paradise, and you can see it has even included everything in our design. So you have this first section here. It says, imagine the gentle sway of palm trees, the soothing sound of waves crashing against the shore. So it's even putting in some content for us there, so we don't have to write anything. And if I was to play this, you can see it is playing inside of the document. And then we go to the next section. You can see it has put in our other design here. And as we continue down, you can see we have the first section of our video, which is the introduction, and you can see now it is starting to pick the things inside the video. So you can also see that it has captured all our other parts of the video, and it has put a bit of context to it, so you can edit any of these to say what exactly you would like them to say. But I think it is really awesome that you can turn your design, any design, into any document that you would like to. So feature number 5 is styles, and it's a really awesome feature, and you're going to see why. So let's say this is your design here. So you've designed something that maybe you want to give it to a client. It's just a portfolio, maybe for your social media marketing services. So you have these particular pages here as part of your designs, and I think they look too white. So instead of starting a new design from scratch, you would just come to the template section here where it is the design section here. That is where the templates are, and just look for another template that you like. For example, I could click on food theme here and just go through the designs. I like this one. So what you do, you click on these 3 dots here, and then you're going to click on apply style to page. Okay, so what it's going to do, it's going to apply the particular style of this new template into the one that you already have. So you can see what our new page looks like. So if you like it, you can click on apply to all pages to see what your design looks like. So that is our new design. You see it has taken the color. It has also taken the font. Let me just enlarge this so that you can see that the font has changed. So you can see this font is what we have here. So if you didn't like that one, you can always change it. Let me see if I can find some other templates here. So you just click out on food, and maybe we could go to travel. I think there are some really good designs usually in the travel niche. So I like this one. Again, go to the 3 dots, and then we can apply the style to the page. And if you like it, then you can apply to all the pages. Alternatively, you could keep shuffling the style, and it's going to keep sort of adjusting. And if you like that one, you can then apply it to all the pages. So if I play this again, you'll see that it has changed to this one here, but I think I liked this red one, especially for the font. So that is how you can use the styles in your designs. So number 6 is magic animate. If you have your design here, ordinarily you'd just go to animate here, and then you can select the different animations that you'd like to set to this. But we have magic animate here, and then it allows you to have some styles to choose from. So you could decide to go with bold here. So that is what it shows for that. You can decide to go with element, and you can see it's animating everything at the same time. You can go for energetic. You can go for playful. You can go for handmade. I sort of like handmade, so we could click on that, and then we can have this play a little bit. that is what this particular style looks like. It's the handmade Magic Animate. So that is how you can use Magic Animate. I think this would be really awesome, especially when you're creating videos with Canva. So have fun playing with that. So feature number 7, which is my favorite and has been a true game changer for me, is the Magic Media and especially the graphics section. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you go to the app section here and just type Magic Media, click on Magic Media here. And once you have the Magic Media opened, you can create images, that is AI images. You can create graphics, you can create videos. So images and videos have already sort of been here, but the new one is the graphics. So you just paste in your prompt and then you select from the different styles. We have hand drawn. Let's generate this. Yeah, so my prompt was 3 young men walking along a beach with a German Shepherd beside them. Yeah, so you can see we have them here. So you could decide to use this one. So this one is the hand-drawn style. Yeah, so you have it here. Okay, and let me make this a bit bigger just for you to appreciate. Yeah, so see how good that is. You can also click on see all to see many other styles that you can choose from. I could decide for the next one, I want to go with this gold foil here. Yeah, so we're going to click on generate the graphic once again. And it is important for you to note here that when you like a particular graphic and then you click on it and it comes to the design, then it automatically goes into your upload section. But the ones you don't click on, then they sort of get lost. So if you want to compare later, just ensure that you click on them. So this is what we have for this. We could just make this one go a bit lower so that we can have these ones. I think I really love these ones here. So why I said that this has been a true game changer for me is because in content creation, sometimes you're looking for an image or for a particular graphic that you want to use and you're not able to find it. But now Canva is giving us the ability to be able to create our own graphics, to be able to create our own images using AI and even videos so that we may be able to make our videos more rich. So let me know in the comments down below which was your best feature, which one have you tried out, which one do you think is going to be a real game changer. So if you'd like to watch more videos like this, ensure you subscribe to the channel. My name is Peris and I'll catch you on the next one.